back to my channel. So today I'll be doing a typical Bengali look for Durga Puja that's coming. I really hope you guys can get some ideas, some inspiration from this video. And before starting guys, just subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so you remain updated with all the videos that I post. And yeah, now let's jump right into it. So first I'll be starting off with the makeup, and the first step is moisturization. So I'll be using this MAC Prep Plus Prime, and this is a serum hydrant. So I'll just pump and apply it. So next up I'll go over with my 4th Beauty Good Mood Moisturizer, and I'll just quickly go ahead and apply it. This smells amazing and it really feels amazing. So I'll just this is literally gel consistency, so it really feels nice on the skin. I'll go ahead and apply my favorite Bright Beauty oil. This is, you guys know I use it in almost all my videos. This is Olivia Care Bright Beauty Facial Oil. It's time to color correct these dark eyes, and I'll be using my Studio Pro palette from BH Cosmetics. I love this one and this is literally my go-to, and you guys know I'll be using these two shades right here. Now I'll use my foundation, and I'm doing ColourPop No Filter Stick, and I'm in the shade Light 67N. So this is a stick foundation and sits really well on my skin. So for the concealer, I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm in the shade Fair Neutral. So for the blush also, I'll be using the same palette and this pinky shade right here. Bengali makeup is all about thick gold eyes, like lots of kajal and nothing much with the eye look. So I'll just go with the golden lid, and then I'll do a thick kajal. So I'll be using my AFU palette, and this is from Amazon, and I'll be using this golden shade all over my lid. that's pretty much the eye look, and I'll quickly go ahead and apply some falsies, and I'm using Lashaholic Luxury Lashes, and this is Instaglam. Lashes are done, and now I'll go ahead and apply generous coats of mascara, and this is Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara, and I'll just generously apply. For the highlighter, I'm using this Artist Couture Summer Haze Diamond Glow Powder. So for the lips, I'm doing a classic Bengali look. So it is going to be red with some bindi and everything. So I'll be using this shade. And it's more of a tomato red kind of a shade, mix of orange and red. So this looks really good. So I don't know the name of this shade. I got it off somewhere like from a local shop. So it sits really nice on my skin. We'll do the hairstyle, and for the hairstyle I'll be doing a classic low bun with some gajra because I think that'll go great with the Bengali style. I'll just be combing my hairs and take a slight center partition. Take all of these into a ponytail and then a bun. Classic as possible with the Bengali sari, the kamardani and everything. And so that is the look, guys. I hope you like it. I tried to keep it as classic as possible, and yeah, comment below and let me know if you guys like that look, and what more looks would you guys want to see in future. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye.